Welcome to CJ's of Python Academy once more. Please, if this is your first time of coming across my video, my YouTube channel, please kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on all the notifications so that you get notified for all our latest video in Python programming. So today we are going to treat a simple basic topic in Python programming known as Python casting. That is the topic we are going to treat today in Python programming. So without wasting much time, let's go. What is Python casting? Python casting simply means converting a variable of a particular data type to another data type. This is called Python casting. It's like conversion. All right, it's like conversion. It means converting a variable in a particular data type to another data type. For instance, we can say we want to convert string to float, float to string, something like that. So now let us go. Over here, I'm going to open my Python tutorial folder here. And here I'm going to click and open my CMD. Please, if you don't know the way I open my CMD, watch my previous video. They are there. So having done that, I have to right click here and click on open with code. It's coming in a jiffy. Okay. All right. So having done that, I'm going to open a new file. Click here. File, new text file. So having done that, I'm going to save my file. Click file and you will see save. I'll click on save. I will call my file casting.py. Okay, good. Now in CJ's of Python Academy, we make Python programming very simple and easy for you to understand. That is our mission, that is our goal. So having done that, let's roll it. Okay, over here I'm going to create an integer variable known as x assign int s assign 4 here. So having done that, I'm going to create another variable again. I'm going to create another variable known as y. Okay. I think I need a comment over here. Put my comment. Assign. Assign value 4 to variable x. Okay, now here, what am I doing here? Convert variable x to float. Let's go. So I'm gonna say y assign float, then s. So now having that, I'm gonna print the value out. I'm gonna print the two value so that you see them. I'll print the x value and here I'll print the y value so that you will see. Now let me go on to my command line. I will zoom it so that you can see easily. I'll come here, I'll type my Python casting.py. You can see here we have 4 as the integer and here we have 4.0 as the float. Like you know already, float is always a decimal number. Yeah, so this is a simple Python casting. You can also use other method. to do that. You can use other method to do that. So let's go and let's say we want to convert to complex. We want to convert x to bytes. Sorry, let's leave the complex aside. I'm gonna say b assign bytes, then x. Good. So let's print this b, and let's come over here. Go. Wow, you can see it converted this to bytes, which is non-human readable format. Yeah, so that is it. So how can we know the type of x, y, b? How can we know their type? We know their type by using the Python function called type. Yeah, we know the type of what we are working with by using the function, the Python function called type rather. So let's go. I'm going to comment the whole of this. Oh, sorry, I won't comment them. I'm going to use the type from here. Type, put them in the braces or brackets. Yeah. So let's know their type. Type y. Yes. So here to type then b. Okay. So now let's run this code again. I think I will need to clear the screen, CLOS to clear the screen, and run this. Wow, you see the type of x is int, the integer, the type of y is float, and the type of b is bytes. So this is a simple conversion. Yeah, if you know that you don't know about data type, please watch my previous tutorial on my YouTube channel. So most of the data type function in the data type table there, they are used for this simple conversion. This is just a basic Python coding. It's not difficult though. Yeah, so well, you need guidance as well if you're a beginner. That is why I created this video. So please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch other videos for beginners. So this is just a simple conversion you can do for string, you can do for any other variable, but there's one rule. If you want to convert to complex, it's easy, it's very simple. You can say let me use my comment. I'm gonna put here complex convert x to complex, convert x to complex, that is variable x to complex. So let's come over here and put the complex. Good. Put complex. You know what is complex? Complex is called an imaginary number according to the mathematician, even in computer science, not just the mathematician. So now let us print out the C and let's see how it looks like. You see, it's totally different from the normal integer, float. Yeah. So let's come over here and print. Wow, this is complex. Yeah, this is complex. You see, so let us know this complex, this C, if it is really a complex. Like, remember what I said in Python programming, we use the type function to know the data type of a variable. For you to detect the data type of any variable in Python, we use a type function, Python type function, which is this. Yeah, which is this. I can write it in the comment for you. Sorry, I can write it in the comment for you. Yeah. Good. In Python, to get the data type, sorry, of any variable, use the Python method known as type, then variable name. Variable name, yeah, this is it. This is how to use the Python method. This is how to use it. Once you use a type, you pass in the variable here, then you print it out. It will give you the type of variable you are working with. Yeah, for if you want to know how to get detected. So, but in Python, you see this float you see this float variable here. You cannot convert any number in floats to any other number. No, I mean, sorry, you cannot convert any number in complex to any other number. It's not possible in Python. Yeah, unless you have a hack around it, but I don't think you can convert floats to complex, integer to complex, but you can't convert complex to integer, complex to float, or complex to any other data type. Yeah, when you convert to complex, it remains there. Are you getting me? So now let us know the type of a variable. Print type, then C. Yo sorry, this evening over here, I don't know, I just woke up from sleep, so I'm feeling dizzy a little, so that is why I'm having some typo error, but I need to do this for my students. Now we've done this, let's print it out and know this. Wow, you see complex, you can see it here, right? Good. But let's try this experiment. Let's try to convert this C to maybe integer or float or anything. So let's go now over here, down here. Error, I will put it error converting complex variable C to int. Yeah, so let's go. I will say I assign int integer, then C. So let me print the I down here. Print I. Okay, I'll come here and run. Woo! Wow! No! Error. You see, type error. Int argument must be a string, a byte-like object, or a real number, not complex. You can see it here. So you cannot convert any number in complex to another number, but you can convert any number from another format to complex, but not from complex to any number. So note it and keep it at the back of your mind, folks. Let's continue. Let's go back to our coding. Now this is it. You see, we have an error. That is why I put error here, because I don't want to show it to you, not just to speak it out, but to put it into action so you believe what I'm saying, that I'm not trying to mislead you. Yeah, but I think there's a workaround. As a Python wizard, there's a workaround. Yeah, but not in this tutorial. I'm gonna do that tutorial next time though, folks. But let's continue over here. I'm gonna remove this shit, remove this. I'll leave it. This error, let me still tag it error, long error. So now, having done that, let's try to convert any of these to string. Yeah, let's do that. So let's say we want to convert this X now to string. We can come here, convert int variable X to string. Okay, I can say S assign string. Yeah, S. Good. You see, S assign string S. So let's print it. I'm gonna show you something here, folks. I'm gonna show you something here. Let's say S. Yeah, S. Yeah. There's something you need to understand here. If we are gonna clear the screen, if you want this, oh, sorry, this is in here. I'll remove it. I'll remove it, or comment it out. I'll comment it instead of removing it. Yeah, I'll comment it. So let me clear the screen one more time and run. Good. You see, 4 came out. Good. So how can you know? That is where I'm coming from. You see, now we've converted this string here, this integer to string down here. So how can we know it is a string? How can we know it's a number, it's a digit? Because if you print X down here to when you print X, I think I need to print it in a variable. Let me format the string. The value of, like as I say, please, I just woke up from sleep. I'm feeling a little dizzy, but I have to do the value of int variable s is is x. Yeah, that is the x over here. That is the x over here. So now let's do that. Let's do same for this. I'm gonna copy this shit down here and print and remove this out from here. And the value of string variable s is s. Good. Now let's come over here and print. You see, all of them is having what? 4 4. This is having 4, this is having 4. But how can you know the one that is string and the one that is integer? So simple way to detect or differentiate them is to use the string method. If you know you don't understand string method, it's in my video. Please go to my playlist and click on Python for beginners and watch all the beginners video. There's gonna prepare you for the advanced, intermediate and advanced topic as well. Dot, I'm gonna come here and put dot is digit. Yeah, is digit. Please, this is not a big deal. I suggest maybe the method might be somehow unfamiliar to you, but you should understand that on my video, go there and watch. Is digit. S assign string s dot is digit. Okay, so now we want to know the true value of this, if this is truly integer or is digit. So now let's come here. I haven't added this is digits down, up here. Yeah, so let's come over here and run this. Wow, true. The value is true. That is, it is what? Integer. It is an integer. So that is why it brought the value true for us. Good. You can't do that to the integer here and say you want to convert it to is digits. No. You can't do that over here. It doesn't have that method. So when you convert it to string, then you call it is digit. It's gonna return true if it is digit first. Otherwise, that is not digit. Good. So you can do a lot of conversion. But always bear in mind that you can convert any number to complex, but you can't convert complex to any other number. So at this particular point, I think with this little idea, you can do Python casting by yourself and know how you can work around it. It's very simple. So please, thank you very much for watching my video. Please, if you know you need more tutorial video for beginners, kindly comment that on my on my YouTube channel. Go to my comment section, write your comment, write what you think. All sort of comment is allowed, is acceptable. Write what you think about my video, about my tutorial, if I need to improve, or I need to continue the way I am, or I need to do other tutorial relating to your own maybe your own area, like you want to understand more about a particular thing in Python. So please let me know on my comment section. Thank you and God bless you. This is CJ's Python Academy. We make Python very easy for you. Please kindly subscribe. That is my major aim. Oh, please subscribe. It's very important to me. That is what fuels me to create more content for you. Subscribe, hit the on notification button, and get alerts and get notified for every of our new video we upload. Yeah, so thank you and God bless you. One more time. For now, bye bye.